Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Axure RP Prototyping. Review my usage experience. Axure RP Prototyping Review My Usage Experience offers a platform for reviewing and analyzing prototypes created using Axure RP software. Its main purpose is to provide feedback and insights on the usability and design of interactive prototypes, targeting UX designers, developers, and product managers. Key features likely include collaborative review tools, comment functionalities, and potentially metrics tracking, though I can't confirm that definitively without deeper access. Their website provides details on their specific features and pricing. While I didn't find information on pricing models explicitly stated on their website, the general impression is that it's geared towards teams and individual designers needing robust prototyping review tools. It positions itself as a solution to streamline the feedback process and improve the quality of prototypes before they reach development. The technology appears to focus on providing a centralized space for collaborative review and feedback, a critical aspect of the UX design workflow. Availability seems to be online-based, so access is global. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Axure RP Prototyping. Review my usage experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I signed up using my Google account, and the onboarding was minimal, which I appreciated. The interface was intuitive enough. I uploaded a prototype I'd already created in Axure RP, and it integrated seamlessly. The commenting features were excellent. I could easily pinpoint specific areas on the prototype and leave detailed feedback. Collaboration was equally smooth. I invited colleagues to review the prototype, and they were able to leave their comments without any issues. The performance was generally reliable, though there were a couple of minor hiccups with page loading on larger prototypes. I had a question about integrating with Jira, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how easy it was to track feedback and consolidate revisions. The standout feature for me was definitely the ability to annotate directly on the prototype itself. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. Reviewing prototypes on the go would be beneficial. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Axure RP Prototyping. Review my usage experience. It streamlined my prototyping review process significantly, making feedback collection and collaboration much more efficient. That's my overview of Axure RP Prototyping. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.